it's Yvonna from Enjoy Your Life Coaching and Healing with yet another video on how you can become financially savvy and debt-free. And when you're debt-free, you're definitely going to be more stress-free too. That's the main aim of this game. So if you are in debt already, make a pact with yourself, promise yourself that you will not acquire any more debt. So I have recorded a video about how important it is to have a little list with all of your debts on it. Seriously, everything, write everything on it. So if you haven't seen it, go back to the videos and find that. Also, make sure that that is all you're having. And while you're chipping away at that debt, those debts that you have, just make sure you do not acquire any more new debt. So that means basically that you have to live within your means, which is whatever you get in, you have to allocate a proportion to pay your debts, you have to allocate a proportion to pay your bills, and then you have hopefully a little bit left with which you can do something extra, things like that. And if you're clever, your extra is paying the bills, paying the debts. So do not spend more than you receive each week, each month, whatever it is. Live within your means. Another thing that's very important is start saving. If you want to buy something, don't get into debt, but save up. If you are a cash buyer, which means that you have the amount of money sitting right there in your bank account, then you may be able to haggle a little bit. You have negotiation power. You're able to say, hey, I'm a cash buyer, what can you do for me? And if it's an item that they have to deliver to you, then maybe they'll do the deliverance for free, that sort of stuff. So make sure you save up before you buy anything. That saving time also gives you time to think, do I really want this item, or shall I do some more research and find out if there's another appliance, for example, that works better for my needs. There you go, couple of birds with one stone. It's always good. Then when you're working away at paying off your debt, keep the momentum going. Because on your piece of paper or in your spreadsheet, it's nice to see the total amount of debt going down, down, down each time you pay something off. Even if it's a weekly amount, it's good. It's a momentum. It's great. The other momentum that I'm talking about is saving. The more you can save, the more it's going to make you feel like, oh wow, finally I actually have something there just in case some bill that I haven't thought about comes along, for example, a car repair or something, whatever. So save some more, and then take some small steps every day to save more money. So reducing any of your bills, look at all the videos that I've made already, that I've premiered already. One video a day in lockdown, every day. So have a look at all of that and implement all these things, all these strategies that can help you save money. Because in the end, in the long run, you can make these things a habit. And when things are a habit, a good habit, they will stick with you for the rest of your life. So, for example, a habit of turning off lights, usually it's a very good habit to have, especially if you live on your own. You might piss off some people if you turn off the light and they're just wanting to go into that room to get something or whatever it is. So have a good think about how you can save money and what you're going to do with that money, how you're going to allocate that money. The mindset of saving is so very important. It will help you with all of your finances, and it will reduce all of the stress regarding your finances, and it will help you reduce your debts. Because if you like saving, that means that you don't like spending. There's a balance between the two. Either you save your money or you spend your money, and depending on what you're doing, if you're in debt, you've been spending your money. If you start going into a saving mindset, you're going to be saving your money. which means that with the money that you're saving, you can pay off those debts, and then the debts will disappear and you'll still be in your saving mindset, so you still won't be spending as much as you had in the past, which is living within your means. And you'll feel better. You'll have a little nest egg there that you can use for, in the beginning, for a little buffer for unexpected expenses if something breaks or something. And in the end, maybe with those savings, after you've paid off all your debts and that, you may start thinking about, oh, maybe I want to upgrade my car, maybe I want to invest in buying a house, which is probably better than having the flashiest car or the flashiest phone, you know, that sort of stuff. So make sure you're very aware of what you do with your money, and look at the video about the needs and the wants, because there's a big difference between the things that you need and the things that you want as well. Main thing for now is do not acquire new debt at all. You don't need it, you don't want it, for whatever it is. Definitely sleep on it and then revisit the situation again. Do not get new debt, extra debt. Live within your means, save, save, save. Save up before buying, because it gives you negotiating power. And keep on looking at all of my videos. There's a new video every day at 7 o'clock New Zealand time. And it's all about how you can change your mindset so you can be more financially savvy and happier and stress-free, etc. So this is Yvonna from Enjoy Your Life Coaching and Healing. And I hope to see you again tomorrow night. Take care and enjoy your evening.